Hi, my name is Claudia and I'm a writer and a filmmaker here in Columbus, and today I will be showing you how to make a paper boat. Stay tuned. So the first step, you are going to fold it hamburger style right onto itself, just like so, and you sort of have like a little book. So yeah, hamburger style, and then after the hamburger, you bring the upper right corner down into the middle, like so, and then you bring the upper left corner down into the middle, and then you have this. So this is what it should look like after the two folds. So after the two folds, you will take this flap right here. You should have two flaps, the first, the second, but you will lift up the first flap and fold it onto itself, onto the two wings that you have. And then you just flip it over, fold it once again. So just gonna repeat for you. Again, so far we had a square, we had a paper, we folded a hamburger style, folded some wings into the middle, folded the flap over the wing, flipped it over, folded the flap over the back. So you should have like a little hat right now. So what you're going to do is you're going to open it up. And yeah, so once you open it up, you will just fold it up like this. So right now it's a triangle, but we fold it up into somewhat of a square. Yeah, so we have a square right now. So now that we folded it up, we're going to kind of repeat these steps. You fold a small triangle, flip it over, fold another small triangle, open it up once again. And so each time that you do a fold, you're giving it a different side, and we're just gonna repeat. So fold it up on this side, flip it, fold it up on this side. What's next? You guessed it, open it up once again. We have a little cup. You close it again, fold it up, flip it over, and fold once again. So you keep folding until you can no longer fold again, until it becomes tight or just too small. So once that happens, what you're gonna do is, well, currently here's what mine looks like, right? And so once that happens, what you're gonna do is you're just gonna really just pull it tight. It's gonna be a bit tough because you've been folding so many times, but you're just gonna fold it tight, pull it tight, and then this is what you should have. And this is like your boat. This is the boat that you have afterwards.